Hey everybody, welcome back to Messing with Mopars. Darren here. It's I guess it's New Year's Eve at the shop. Just fooling around. So here's where we're at. So I wrestled that in there. As you notice, the headers aren't in there yet. I'm gonna have to raise it up a bit more, and then I'll slip the headers down. Hopefully everything works out okay. I've got the starter in, the wiring kind of hooked up. So we'll have to just pay attention to where that all is. If I remember rightly, everything kind of fit pretty decently with the starter in there. I don't recall off the top of my head, but so that being said, I'm gonna lift her up a little bit and then we'll see if we can't get this passenger side header slid down in there. And then we'll go from there. All right, wish us luck. Here we go. That's pretty reasonable. I got my little stool in the way here. So let's move you guys over here. Like so. Then I can move my stool here. And then, well, just, so we gotta get that out of the way. Oh, I think I got the jack in the way down there. All right. Let's take that out because now it's all bent to shit. And then push this up over. So that comes out there. Like that. And then I gotta change jacks, which is fine. Except for the fact that this frickin' handle comes out. That's as far as she goes. Okay, give me a second here, boy. Boys and girls. Just need a block. I wish I had a little shorter one, but I guess I don't. Ouch. So, I probably should have just put the cross member in. Maybe that would have helped, but I don't know. There. That's the sound we wanted, sort of. That was almost a jack handle to the teeth. All right, so this goes over here, and where's the bolt hole? Right now, I just want that one in there, like so. And that one in. You can't see what's going on there. And just a little bit higher, maybe. There. Maybe that'll do. Oh yeah, like a hot damn. Can't see nothing. Why? Dead. I guess so. You're kidding me, right? You gotta absolutely be kidding me. Let's drop a little more. I absolutely had this in there. Where's my new doodad? There it is. So, I think okay. Well, let's try that. I think we're gonna have to take it in and out a couple more times here. Unfortunately, I don't know. Let's get the other. Why? Give me another 3/8. hanger. And there's 1, 2. Okay. There's that. And then let's move this over here. And then I think these freaking headers are going to work again, or still. I thought I had them, but apparently maybe not. So let's try to get them in on this side and beat the hell out of them. Okay. So let's see. This come out. All right. No. It might be long enough. No. Lift it up that fucking high. I don't think it fucking fits. Why did it fit before and now it fucking doesn't? Well, so now what do we do? Well, but